Alright, so in this demonstration video, I can start from the recoding your variable because in t-test, you can only use the dichotomous variable as your independent variable. So sometimes we have the limitation that the variables have only two categories is very limited. So we are creating by our own. You can go to the transform to recode your variable and recode into different variables. So if you didn't change your option, maybe you can see these names. But if you just click your mouse in the right button of your mouse, and you can display the variable names and sort alphabetically, so you can find that. So in our lecture slide, we use the degree variable. But in this time, maybe I can show you how to use the education variable. So in the EDUC variable, that is years of education. So that will be over VA or recoded VA. But maybe you can use that VA edu. So the name is not very important, but EDUC VA. Right, so that is recoded variable for VA variable. The name is a little bit weird, but let's use that. You can click change, and you need to go to old and new values. And you may remember that the EDUC variable is measuring the years of education they completed. So 0 means the 0 year of education, and 20 means 20 years of education. And now we are checking that whether they finished the BA degree or not. We can divide the education level. The education level will be, so usually we will take 16 years of education, so 12 years to have the high school diploma, and usually 4 years for the BA degree, right? So we can put the range as 0 through 15. So let's assume that even though they attend the college or university, they didn't finish their education. So 0 through 15, that will be the below the first group in our new variable, below BA. Okay, there. And maybe 16 through 20, because we already know that in the EDUC variable, we only have 0 through 20. So that's what we already know. But if we don't know about the highest value, maybe you can use this one. So maybe 16 through the highest value. So it's up to you. So range 16 through 20. That will be our second group. All right. So add. So 1 and 2, we have 2 groups here. And continue. Alright, so if you click OK, you can see this variable is created, and you can see this variable is created, new variable as EDUC BA variable, and 1 is coded as under BA, and 2 is coded as the higher than BA. So 1 is below BA, and then 2 is over BA. Alright, and then you can find it. So the reedu BA variable is created. Maybe you can call to the utilities and the variables menu. It doesn't show that. So maybe I can go to the frequency variable and then reedu BA. Okay, there it is. Right, so you can click OK. Then you can see below BA and over BA is created. So by using the recoding of your variable, you can create the dichotomous variable for your independent variable. So you can use education, days of mental health, or other all kinds of variables to create this type of dichotomous variable. Right? Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.